Hello everybody, this is DOR Studios here, and in this video I'm going to be showcasing my new 3D printer, the Ender 3. For several years now, I've been dreaming about having a 3D printer. And now I finally have gotten one, and I've seen such cool things they can make. And I plan on making a whole lot of different videos on my 3D models, my printing of the 3D models from my 3D printer, the Ender 3. I honestly think the Ender 3 is a pretty cool printer. And I plan on doing some time lapses and other things. There will actually be a time lapse in this video. And I'm going to show you a sneak peek of something I've created a couple days ago. And towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you the time lapse. So here is something I've printed the other day. I will have a video later on about the print I did the other day. It's pretty cool. I'll show you the aftermath probably in the next video. I don't really have that much time for that. But I hope you enjoy this time lapse. I'm about to start this time lapse of me printing a cube. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that time lapse. This has been DOR Studios. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Have a great day.